If I had to start freelancing again in 2025 from complete zero, I would do it in a very simple and strategic way, not in a confusing way and not in trying everything at once. Just clear path that actually works. Because listen, I started freelancing in 2015. I've earned over $2 million on Upwork alone. But most people don't know this part that I'm 85% deaf. I didn't win with networking. I didn't win because I was more articulate. I won because I understood system and I understood the consistency. So if I could do it with disadvantage, then you can do it too. Just stay with me to the end because every step connects to the next one. Step 1, choose your platform first. When people start freelancing, they get confused. Should I start on social media? Should I build a brand first? Should I join freelance platforms? Here's the truth. If you are starting today, start where you can get your first client the fastest. And that place is Fiverr. Because Fiverr doesn't require portfolio, a personal brand, or testimonies. You can just start right from zero. Fiverr brings clients to you. So the first step is pick your service, research keywords, and see if your niche already has orders on Fiverr. If yes, make your gig. If no, switch to another niche. Simple. Once your gig is made, now the real work begins. Step 2, treat your first client like gold. When your first message or first order comes, respond fast. Keep your laptop Fiverr app open and active. Clients don't like to wait, and they will move on. And when you get your first order, put your focus, your care, and your quality into this one project, because one satisfied client equals a 5-star reviews, tips, reorders, more ranking, and more visibility. You only need one good strong start to unlock the momentum. So don't rush and don't just do good enough, do it properly. This first project is your signal to the market. Step 3, start personal branding. Now, while working on Fiverr, start sharing your journey on social media. Not teaching, not acting like an expert, just showing what you are doing. For example, you can say this: just completed this project today. Here's what I learned. Got this feedback, feeling grateful. Trying to improve this area. If anyone has suggestions, please leave your comments. These type of comments on your social platform build identity. People start to know what you do. Your name and your skills start connecting. This is how personal brand grows naturally. No forcing. Step 4, once there's momentum, start your outreach. This is where most people stop. They wait for clients. They hope Fiverr will send someone again, but you don't have to wait. Once you have 1 to 2 complete projects, some screenshots, and some posts on social media, now is the time you can start your outreach, and it will work. What does outreach mean? You message people who may need your service. But we do it in a simple and respectful way like this. Hey, I saw your brand business. I noticed one small improvement that you could make that may help get you better results. Want me to send you a short, quick explanation video? No pressure, just thought I might help. No selling, no begging, no hire me. Just help first. You'll be surprised when they say yes. You send a short 60 to 90 second video explaining the improvement. This shows that you understand, that you care, and that you're professional. By going this route, you will get clients eventually. Just stick with it. From here, a lot of these connections will turn into paid work. Now you control your pipeline and not just have to wait on Fiverr. After you send the mini video, offer a small paid diagnostic that they can say yes to quickly. If this was useful, I can map the fixes. And the next step in a short diagnostic. It's just $99 and I can credit to you if you continue. Low risk, high trust, fast green light. Step 5, after 1 to 2 months, start on Upwork. Once you have reviews, screenshots, examples, communication experience. Now you set up on Upwork. Why? Fiverr clients come to you. Upwork, you go to the clients, and Upwork has bigger clients. Same task that pays $50 on Fiverr can pay $200 on Upwork easily. So don't rush Upwork in the beginning. Start it after you have proof. Then Upwork becomes much easier. Step 6, build your website. After Fiverr and Upwork start working, your branding will start to take shape. Now create a website around one niche at a time. Just 4 to 5 pages. Your home, services, work, portfolio, about, and contact. Keep it simple and clean and focused. Then you start niche-based outreach like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, depending on where your clients exist. Now your conversion becomes easy because your work matches your client. Your website matches your niche. Your social presence shows consistency. Everything is aligned. So here's what you need to do. Number 1, choose your service. Number 2, start on Fiverr. Number 3, deliver your first order with quality. 4, start sharing your journey. Simple post. 5, begin gentle outreach. Help first. 6, after 1 to 2 months, start Upwork. 7, build a niche-focused website. Number 8, start niche-based outreach. Number 8, start niche-based outreach. This is how you don't depend on only one platform. This is how you build stability. This is how you grow like a professional. And remember, I did this while being 85% deaf. And if I can do it, you can do it too. You just need to take one step today. So this is exactly how I would start freelancing again in 2025, step by step. If this video helped you even a little bit, then please hit the like, leave a comment, and subscribe to support the work I do. Your one small click seriously motivates me to keep me making videos like this. Happy freelancing, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, be freelantastic.